The network.
Yes.
With India and Tata.
Most of the times it's Tikuna or MTNL, but I don't know which they are providing us.
MTNL. MTNL, I guess.
Over here, I guess 5net, MTNL.
No, we are absolutely unaware.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm using it my home.
Of course, yes.
Yeah, obviously. Of course, mine.
I used to. No.
Yes. No, unfortunately not.
Yes, it is obviously for sure beneficial.
Yeah, it is quite beneficial because if at all it will be introduced with our same password, then it will be beneficial provided that it is cost effective and with a good package.
Yeah, it's beneficial because again I'm using free.
That would be very beneficial because I just have to remember only one email ID, one password, and that would work for the whole country if I remember the whole country.
Yes, of course. Everybody will use it. Then it's good.
Obviously, like it is beneficial.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, if I get the same network everywhere, it will be beneficial.
If this facility is given, it's quite convenient. Yeah, it might be beneficial for me.
Yeah, obviously, I think it's something new, so I think I'll go for it.
Would be great.
Yeah, I mean, that's something which is easy, right, to remember and use. Of course, if I was using my iPad or if I was using my tablet or something of that sort and I want to sit at a cafe and work, then yeah, it would definitely be very convenient.
Obviously, you don't have to pay the mobile to the network, the operators, and also easy to connect everywhere. And we can search anything everywhere.
It should be cheaper. If it's cheaper, it's gonna say. Really, it will be very beneficial for everyone, not for me, for every college-going student, for any businessman, for any other person. That would be very beneficial.
It's a very good idea. It should happen because it is beneficial for all.
Do it as soon as possible.
It should be implemented. I mean, this is the best cost-cutting technique as of now.
If you come up with this thing, it would be a real good idea.
Yeah, this idea is wonderful. I think nobody else has done it, so this is something new.
It would be helpful if you're working with a tablet or with your laptop or something of that sort. That's when it would be helpful, I guess.